In this video, I am going to show you how to activate YouTube TV free trial on your Kindle Fire. Setting up YouTube TV on a Kindle Fire is simple and can be done in just a few steps. First, open the Amazon App Store on your Kindle Fire and search for the YouTube TV app. If it's not available there, you can download it directly from the Google Play Store by installing the Amazon-compatible version of the Play Store on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and sign into your Google account. If you don't already have a YouTube TV subscription, you'll be prompted to start the free trial. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details and confirm your subscription. After signing up, you may need to activate the app by visiting tv.youtube.com/activate on a computer or another device and entering the code displayed on your Kindle Fire screen. Once activated, you're all set to enjoy streaming live TV and on-demand content. If this video helped you activate YouTube TV on your Kindle Fire, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.